Welcome back. So we've already covered a lot, but I want to kind of throw you guys into tutorialsteacher.com here if you want to use it. I have nothing to do with that site. I'm not paying to it, I'm not doing anything, but I really encourage you guys to use them when you get started with C# if you want to. They've made an awesome set of guides on tutorialsteachers.com. Big credit for those guys. I think they've done a great job, whoever owns this site. And I just want to point you guys in, if you guys feel that I've skipped some of the very important stuff that you think you want to know about right now, you can always go and look it up right here. For instance, if you guys want to know about a variable, I tried to cover that a bit, but I might have dived more into it. You can go in here and just click on the C# variable in here under the C# guide right here. And what you can do is pretty much go and read a bit of information about a variable. Let me just zoom out so you guys can see this properly. There we go. You can go and read about variables and how you use them. So here's the small text about the variable. Here's the syntax when we use a variable. We have a data type, which is, for instance, an int, a string, a boolean, whatever. We have the variable name, and then we equal the variable to some kind of value. But as they declare here, you don't have to equal it to anything. You don't have to set the value or the variable to anything up front. So here we have a variable declaration right here, and then we assign it to that declaration. And here we do it directly, initialize it right away, etc., etc. So there's a lot of good stuff in here, and I'll try from now on to point you guys in here when I find something that I feel might be hard to explain on the video, so you guys can go and read a bit about it if you want to. Again, tutorialsteachers.com, great place to look at stuff, and there's also other tools up here if you wanna. If you're into Angular, they have some old Angular tutorials, jQuery, JavaScript. They're still pretty fresh, but they are starting to be outdated, but C# language haven't changed, so there's a lot of good information about the C# language in particular in this list right here. And as I get through it, I'll try and go in here and show you guys, but if you don't find my information being enough, Google is your friend. If you want to be a great developer, you have to learn how to Google stuff, you have to learn how to figure out the internet, and there's a lot of information out there, good information, but also a lot of very bad information, so you have to learn to manage yourself on the internet, manage yourself on finding the information that you require for fixing your problems in your program. Now you know about tutorialsteacher.com. I won't use any more time there. See you in the next lesson.